Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient, whether you need scheduled maintenance, tire rotation, or a tune-up. When you bring your vehicle to John Marazzi Nissan, you get quality service performed in a state-of-the-art facility by trusted professionals. And while you wait, enjoy our luxury lounge, cafe, and kids play area. Visit our interactive website at www.marazzinissan.com, where you can get a quick quote, get information about our complimentary loaner service, schedule a service appointment, and at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. John Marazzi Nissan is located at 3640 Pine Ridge Road in Naples, Florida.